Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to save Canva CV as PDF file. How to save Canva CV as a PDF file. Now, before we continue, I'm going to first show you how to create a CV using Canva in case you do not have a CV. So, Canva offers a vast library of professionally designed CV templates. So all you have to do is search for CV or resume and select the template that aligns with your style and industry. So let's search for CV or resume. Then search here, CV. Search for CV, professional CV. Then we also have resume. So let's just say resume. Should we go for resume? Okay, going for one, then choose the one you want. The thing that best suits you. So let's say I like this one. Oh wait, yeah, premium. So let's go for the one that is not premium. Look how tall. But you know, that's because it's in premium or not being premium. So you select the one you use, then you go for the simple one then. So now you can customize it by clicking on customize the CV. It's a template, which means you can edit everything in it. So let's start. Double tap on it. Okay, for whatever reason I want to get bigger, so let's do it. You can change the picture, change the name and everything. Let's assume we've done all this now. Because you're going to have to edit it, put a picture, your name, position, everything, edit the profile. Everything you need to do. So once you've done that, now don't forget to replace the placeholder text with your name, contact details, summary, work experience, education, skills, and other relevant information. You can also customize the fonts, the colors, the layout to match your personal brand, because Canva offers a wide range of fonts, color, and background options. Don't forget to add your professional headshot to make your CV more personal. Follow a clear format. Organize your CV with clear headings and subheadings to improve readability. Highlight the skills you use, like using keywords relevant to your industry to make your CV look more searchable by applicant tracking systems. Then quantify your achievements. Use numbers and dates to demonstrate your accomplishments in previous roles. Proofread and edit. Always proofread and edit. Check for errors. Carefully review your CV for any typos, grammatical errors, or inconsistencies. Then give it to someone else to read for you. Get feedbacks. You can ask a friend, family member, or a career counselor to review your CV and provide feedbacks. Once you're through, download and share. So let's download this. So you go up here, click on share, and then click on download. Wait, let me change the name a bit. Should I? Yeah, you can change it. Then click on download. Now you have to save your CV as a PDF file for easy sharing. Now we're learning how to save your CV as a PDF file. This is a PDF standard, which is a set standard. Now it is better to save it as a PDF file for easy sharing and printing, so that you can easily share it online, like maybe on a professional app like LinkedIn. Now let's say you want to save your CV as a PDF file. Now, we have two ways of doing that. We have the PDF standard and we have the PDF print as a file type. If you open this, you can see PDF standard and PDF print. So, the PDF standard is suitable for digital sharing and viewing, which means you never download it. While the PDF print is ideal for high quality printing, but it may result in a larger file size. So choose the one you want. If you want to print it out, choose PDF print. You don't print it out, you want to share it online and people to view it online, start printing it out, choose PDF standard. Then once it's through, let's say I want to just view it online, I choose PDF standard, then tap on download, and it's downloading. So before downloading, don't forget to double check your CV for any errors or formatting issues. Then you also can test the printing if you want to print it out. And you should have chosen PDF print instead. You should consider printing a test copy to ensure the colors and qualities are as expected. So That's it. Now let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's go to our file. Open it up. PDF file. You see? And that's it. There you go. There it is. So by following these steps, you can easily save your Canva CV as a professional looking PDF file ready for sharing or printing. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this, which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.